Central Station.
So I'm going upstairs. Oh, sorry. This is gloves. Come out this way. Go outside. That big old dog. That is a big ass dog. I'm gonna go this way. Child, I didn't even see that. I'm not taking those stairs. I'm lazy. They got dogs here. They don't play. See that big ass dog? Fulton Street. A Shake Shack up there. Center. What is he waving to? Is he waving to me? I don't know. He's not waving to me. I've never been on one of these buses since I've been here. I never did that. I need to do it one day. Going to Church Street and Fulton. The view. World Trade Center. I need to go here and here. Look at this. So nice. Like for the painting. This is one. Open it. Open. Look at the view. They got cameras here, of course. Nice as hell in here. The view from up here is nice. They got umbrella bags in this vein. But it's a nice view down there. Yeah. Another entrance over there too. Go downstairs for a bit. I came here before, but I never really walked around and recorded. So let me see what they have. It's gonna be a long video. I'm enjoying it. Ah, wrong way. Chilling. Wow. Oh, there's a lot of stores in here. Got the path train out here. Look. Oh, I need to go to the Memorial Park. I'm just gonna walk around and come back. Then go downstairs. Sugar Fina. It's got so many stairs. Like, store. I wonder if they do the same thing over there. I don't know how about to walk back. See? I need to go downstairs, so it's downstairs somewhere.
There was an Apple store.
I just saw it. Oh, yeah, it's right there. I'm looking right at it. I'm like, I just saw the Apple store. So. I'm taking a view from upstairs. Now it is. Downstairs. It's mad big in here. It is huge. The Apple store. Mad people in the Apple store. Apple, see? Apple always messing up with stuff. Always. I'm gonna go around there, come down those stairs, so I can go like I'm going to New Jersey, but I'm not. It's just for y'all to get them. Look at me like, don't be doing me. I ain't going downstairs, I'm going around. I ain't going downstairs first. No? Got a lot of train stations in here. The one train. I'm gonna go to the Memorial. Oh, this one. Memorial upstairs. Oh, I gotta go to the Memorial. I'm gonna come back downstairs and come to upstairs. Gotta go upstairs. Outstore. It's really big in here. You can see outside. It's huge. This place is big. Humongous. Kate Spade. I have to go see the New Jersey. Outfit. see what they have upstairs. There's a memorial is upstairs, and I've never been to a memorial before. So I want to see. I've never been to the memorial or the museum, but I don't know where I'm at. Hopefully I'll find it. The back part of the building. I came over there. This is the back part. Sorry. Oh, here it is. Oh, thank you. Ah, found it. I found it. Ah! Yo, it's hot out here. The number is over there. So I'm gonna go see it soon, but look at this painting. Look at the painting. Oh, so the front, I came from over there. This is the front, the back part. Alright. It's freaking hot. Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all this view. The view for me. Oops, sorry. Yeah, what's the weather today? It's hot. This is the back of the memorial thing. And over there is the fountain. I'm about to go over there right now so I can see. I'm gonna show y'all. I still always see the pictures, but I never came here. This is my first time coming here by myself. I choose to come here by myself. I'm like, I'm just get up and go do something alone. Oh, I need to go over there. Oh, the museum is right there. Oh, there's the museum. I'm gonna go back around. So, there's a lot of people here. Oh, not a lot, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. It's a good amount. It's a nice little chill spot. Alright, so these are, see the names, they got people names on here. These are the people that passed away on 9/11 from the Twin Towers. We go all the way around, so I'm not gonna go all the way around. But look at this view. Look at that. This is so nice. Look at that. I like this. I'm gonna go around. I mean, it's from the same. It's the same thing from different angles, but you know, I'm gonna wait. The museum is over there. You have to see it. See, it's right there. So. Man, I just love this. It's my first time being here. this is a nice view. This is the view they're talking about. I don't see no other view but this. Oh, this is the view. Okay. Alright. This is the view they're talking about. Where's the central? Oh yeah, I got a better view from over here. I don't know why. But a better view from over here. Aww. It is so nice out here. I just stop going places by myself more often. It feels good. Not so you can go with your friends, but I like going out. Today, this feels good to be out here by myself. Alright. I'm gonna go to the museum part and see what's going on. The breeze feels so good out here. The breeze feels really good. And they got seats and stuff. You can come here and just relax. This is a perfect view though. So look here. They gotta squeeze it. That don't work. Oh, I'm like, I don't work. Hold on. Can I massage my hand? Ooh. Is this soap? What is this? Oh, this thing takes forever to rub in my hand. My hand do feel clean though. Not gonna lie. I love New York City, man. Ain't no place like New York City. Okay, let me correct that. Ain't no state. Ain't no state like New York City. Okay? Just correct that. Look at me. I said I was gonna go around and look at me. But I can't help it. But oh, another part? They got this. I didn't even know it was 2 parts they had. Oh, they got 2 parts. So I'm like, I know it wasn't this. Oh, I know it was more than that amount of people that died. Okay, I gotta walk this way. A lot of people died, so it couldn't be just one. All of the names could not fit on that. So they have another one over here. I didn't even notice that. But and then they sell the 9/11 memorial stuff right here. But I don't know if I want any of those stuff. 9/11 memorial, flag of honor. Yeah, they got nice stuff right here. They got the tote bags, survival bottles and stuff. They got nice stuff. NYPD. Oh, they got the cups too. That's cool. It's nice. Yeah, I was going over here. This is a museum right here. This is a memorial. The museum. It's closed right now. I think they close on Tuesdays. I gotta come back one day and go inside. I wanna go inside and see how it is. But yeah, here's the second part. Second one. I'm not going around though. It's the same thing as the first one. Just I don't know. Second one. It's hot. Look at that big ass building. in the front. Oh, I see you sort of on to the move. So cream. I love New York City. I love my city. I love my city. Her. Killing that picture. Thinking her stomach so bad. Get it, girl. Get it however you can. World Trade Center, subway, half train. All right, on to the next destination. Yeah, that felt good. I just felt that AC just now. Literally. I got a nice vlog out of this. I'm glad I did this.